Welcome to Brain Vision.
Our question asks us to estimate how long it would take one person to mow a football field using an ordinary home lawnmower. Assume the mower moves with a velocity of 1 kilometer per hour and has a 0.5 meter width. So I wrote down what we are given here, which is the width of the mower, which I denote as W sub m is equal to 0.5 meters. The velocity of the mower is, which I denote as V sub m, is 1 kilometer per hour, which I rewrite in meters for easy conversion between velocity to time, since we're given everything else in meters. I convert that to meters, and since 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters, this is equal to 1,000 meters per hour. I looked up the length of a general NCAA football field, and including the end zones, it's approximately 110 meters with the width of 50 meters. And so I denote the length and the width here as L and W and sub F for field. So the question then is, how long is it going to take this person to mow the field? First thing we need to do is to calculate the area of the field. Well, area of a square or rectangle is length times width. So the area of the field is going to be the length of the field times the width of the field. Right? Okay. Well, if you multiply 110 meters times 50 meters, you get 5,500 square meters. Okay. That's the area. All right. So now that we know the area, we need to know the distance this individual who's mowing is going to have to travel in order to mow the entire field. So then we can go ahead and calculate how long it's going to take him to mow this field. Well, the distance then that he travels is going to be equal to the area of the field divided by the width of the mower. Okay, and so that's going to be 5,500 meters squared divided by the width of the mower, which is 50 meters, and that's going to give us 1,100 meters. Okay, so we know the distance the individual is going to have to travel. We know the velocity, and since our equation for velocity is equal to distance divided by time, we can go ahead and solve for time and calculate it, since we know distance and velocity. Time is going to be equal to velocity distance, not velocity. It's going to be equal to distance divided by velocity. Okay. Well, our velocity is 1,000 meters per hour. Our distance is 1,100 meters. So if you take 1,100 meters and divide it by 1,000 meters per hour, you get 11 hours.